What if the key to reversing aging wasn't in a mythical fountain of youth, but in the very tissues surrounding our cells? This tissue, known as the extracellular matrix, also known as the ECM, is the essential scaffolding for our cells. Over time, though, the structure and composition of the ECM changes. These shifts influence how our cells behave in potentially both good and bad ways. My lab uses biomaterials and stem cells to engineer tissues that are inspired by youthful and aged tissues. And by tuning properties such as stiffness or architecture, we use these engineered tissues to give shape to our understanding of the aging process, and to help us bend time in our favor. We're currently working to improve our modeling capabilities of the extracellular matrix, including an in vitro model of the blood and immune system. The blood and immune system undergoes a significant decline with age, making it a key factor in age-related disorders. Ultimately, my research is the groundwork for new materials and therapies that help keep us young and healthy for much longer, a way not to stop time, but to help us age smarter.